So another unboxing video. I got all the toys. Today is the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. Just came in. You might hear it in the background, but this is to replace my Wyze vac. That one lasts a solid 2 years, but now the battery life is just not where it should be. So, decided to upgrade. And why not upgrade to one of the best? After many reviews watched, oh god, that's big. Reviews watched and things read and comparison videos between this and about a million other ones, decided this one because I have hardwood floors and it's the best for cleaning up pet hair, and I have multiple pets. I don't know if you've seen them or not. I have about 4 dogs and 4 cats. So I got air filters in every room. And the Wyze vac did a pretty good job of that. But it didn't mop. Now this is actually going to be our 4th smart vacuum that we've had. We originally had the iRobot Roomba. The very original one that just kind of bounced around and wandered aimlessly. Then we got something called a Test 4. It actually had, here, let's turn this around so we get a better look. It actually had mopping capabilities, but it was absolutely terrible. Alright, please read the quick start guide on the back of this for the first time use. Look at that. That's the biggest quick start guide I've ever seen in my life. Safety guidelines and certifications. That looks like the front tray. The wet vac, or the smart vac itself. That's pretty heavy. That's hefty compared to the Wyze one. Holy crap. Look at the LiDAR dome. Camera. I'm assuming that's its front camera. Could be. This one's supposed to have like a straight up camera. Reactive tech. Obstruction. Yeah. The Wyze vacuum, well, it is the best one I've had so far. It sucks at any obstacle avoidance. There is the power adapter. It's a computer cable. Okay, cool. What's this? This is mopping pads? Nope. Dustpan bag, or the dust bag bin. Alright, I think this is the big station for it. Look at this. I've never had one like this, but I think I went all out because I think all the other ones that I've seen have like 1 bin, 2 bins. You have to change a lot of the stuff. Now the newer version has all this stuff too. And I almost got that one because the S8 tanks, it's actually reversed. It's got these covered up. Yeah, I guess you can't see that. This might be a terrible video. Alright, so tanks. Working in a very small space here. Power cable. Dustbin bag. Machine itself. And I guess this is the platform that it goes on. Little ramp. It will eventually look like that. Pretty neat. Well, that's the unboxing, so I'm going to go set this thing up and I'll give a review on it later.